This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, June 29th. In the stock index futures, we did see prices firming yesterday after Fed Chair Powell's speech was out of the way. Powell reiterated at the European Central Bank Forum on Central Banking that at least 2 interest rate increases are likely necessary this year to bring the rate of inflation down to the central bank's target of 2%. And that acting at consecutive policy meetings is not off the table. In addition, Powell, speaking at a banking conference in Madrid today, repeated that most FOMC members expect to increase interest rates at least 2 more times this year. Also today we had the revised first quarter U.S. GDP report showing a 2% increase. That compares to the estimate of a 1.4% gain. We had jobless claims coming in with a smaller than expected number. However, countering this to some degree was the May pending home sales index declining 2.7% when a 0.6% decline was predicted. Overall, stock index futures performing very well for the news despite a series of Fed interest rate hikes. Stock index futures really not that far from annual highs, at least in the S&P and the NASDAQ. So I think this market will probably continue to overperform on the upside. In the currency markets, the dollar index was lower in the overnight trade, but firmed with the GDP report coming in stronger than expected. Also, we had Australian retail sales growing more than expected in May from the previous month. And in the interest rate futures markets, quite a bit of pressure developing due to Powell's hawkish interest rate comments and also when the 7:30 economic reports were released. Right now, there is an 89% probability that the Fed will hike by another 25 basis points at the July 26 meeting, with an 11% probability of unchanged. Also, it appears that the July hike, which we do get one, which I think we will, could be the last one in the cycle. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.